So this is a third part of this investigation 1 on 8.1 math 1 lesson discovery unit discovery math 1 unit 8 first investigation. So email chain. So this is how the exponential functions works. So she started like a 0 is one person. So one person sending 4 people, then 4 people are sending to 4 other people. So that's why 4 times 4, 16. So you're getting that 16 like that. So this is like 4. Then this is like 4 times 4. So the next one you're getting by 4 times 4 times 4. So you can keep on going like that, as this increases. Okay. Now, what they're trying to tell you. Let's explore it. Make a graph. Using the graphing calculator, you can put this data and submit the data points represent the number of people in your data are discrete and should not be connected by a curve. Yeah, because these are the data of a people. So we cannot say like 2.4.5, 4.6, things like that. So it has to be a data, discrete data. Discrete means only whole numbers, not like continuous data. So when you are doing this, what they're trying to say is 0 is 1, right? One person is doing it. Then when 1 comes, it is jumping up to 4, right? So it is going here. So you cannot connect this data. That's what they're saying. Then the 2 people means it is going all the way to 16. So it is standalone points. That's what they're trying to say. It's not a straight line. It's going to be a curve. Okay. So anyway, so it's going to be a curve. It's a standalone thing. Then the algebraic model. How do you do the algebraic model? It is going with 4 to the power of x, y. Because, when you're doing this, it's always multiplied by 4. So the table you made, so 0 is 1. So 1 is 4, 4 to the power of 1. Second part is 4 to the power of 2, because I told you it's multiplied by 4 times 4, which is 4 to the power of 2. So that's why they're getting the function like that. Then the 3 is 4 to the power of 3. As simple as that. And this one is, 4 to the power 0, because 4 to the power 0 is always 1. So that is the y equal to 4 to the power of x. Okay. Then, so you can stop the video and fill in your things, write it down. Analyze the graph, the domain and the range and the y-intercept. Reasonable domain. The domain values must be natural numbers because it is a discrete value. So the domain is like natural numbers, not like decimals. The range is also a geometric sequence for 1624. See, pay attention to the word geometric sequence. It is going by power. Write that down, okay? Geometric sequence means multiply and going. We are not adding and going. We are 4, 4 times 4, 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So it's going by multiplication, not by addition. That's why it's called geometric sequence. Then the intercepts. Identify the y-intercepts. Y-intercept is the started the email chain. That is just 1, right? Okay, so that's where you're getting. So hope this is making sense. Then one more thing is there. I'm running out of time. Finding the average rate of change. I already showed you how to do the average rate of change in all situations. So what is the interval? How do you split it? Don't go like 0, 1 and all. You need to find out like what is happening at 0. So 0 and 1, right? Then what about 1? 1 is 4, right? 1 is 4. So you need to interpret these points. After that, you do y2 minus y1. 4 minus 1 over 1 minus 0. That is your 3. Okay, give me 1 second. So this is how you change it. Average rate of change. Then change the points and find out the answer. Same thing you have to do here. Make sure you are changing it into coordinates. Please. Okay. So 2 means 2 means 16, right? Yeah. And 3 means 64 because the value is changing to 64. Then you do that y2 minus y1 over 64 minus 16, which is 48. Okay. So the function is increasing. The function is increasing because first it is 3, then it is 48, right? So that's how you do the whole thing. Hope this makes clear sense to you. Then we will go and explore more of the what is that exponential function concepts. I'll be posting more videos on the check for understanding thing and everything. Okay, see you. Bye bye. Hope you enjoyed exponential function.